Welcome to TVC News this hour. We begin with the cherry news from the nation's capital, where the Supreme Court moments ago ordered that old 100, 500 and 1,000 naira notes remain in circulation to December 31st, 2023. The Apex Court nullified the federal government's naira redesign policy, declaring it as an affront to the 1999 Constitution. Justice Emmanuel Agim, who read the lead judgment, dismissed the preliminary objections by the defendants. The Attorney General of the Federation, Bayelsa and Edo states, insisting the court has the jurisdiction to entertain the suit. The Apex Court held that President Muhammadu Buhari in his broadcast admitted that the policy is flawed with a lot of challenges, adding that it led to some people engaging in trade by barter in a bid to survive. The court described the president's disobedience of its February 8th order as a sign of dictatorship. 16 states of the Federation instituted a suit to challenge the legality or otherwise of the introduction of the policy. 16 states led by Kaduna, Kogi and Zamfara prayed the court to void and set aside the policy on the ground that it is inflicting hardships on innocent Nigerians. Governor Nasir El-Rufai of Kaduna State and his Kogi State counterpart, Yahaya Bello, were in court to witness the judgment.
Today is a day of happiness for all Nigerians. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has given us all the reliefs that we sought for. By a very unanimous judgment, the full court of 7 justices gave a unanimous judgment, 7-0, that all our prayers to the court have been accepted. This is a victory for Nigerians, because this policy, which was designed and targeted at a political party and its candidates, has brought untold hardship on our people. This is why the 3 of us took a decision to come to the Supreme Court. We are APC members. The President of Nigeria is from the APC, but we disagreed with him on this policy and its implementation. And when we tried everything to settle this behind closed doors, we had no idea to ensure that from today till the 31st of December 2023, the old naira notes of all denominations shall continue to circulate side by side with the new naira notes. That's the major decision of the Supreme Court. The other decision is that the policy of currency confiscation, where you deposit money in the bank and the bank chooses what to give you, is unlawful and illegal and shall end forthwith. So Nigerians can go to the bank and collect whatever they have deposited and get on with their lives. And the Supreme Court has extended the legal tender status of all our notes, old and new, at least to 31st December.
And hours after the declaration of